Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the Locker Studio tutorial. First, navigate to the web browser and search for Locker Studio. Now, click on the link to visit the official website. Locker Studio is a free tool by Google for creating interactive and customizable data dashboards and reports. It integrates smoothly with Google tools like Analytics, Ads, Sheets, and BigQuery, making it ideal for marketers and analysts. The Chat with Me tab displays report and data sources that others have shared with your Google account. The Templates tab offers a gallery of pre-built report templates for various use cases which be customized. You can search it by categories such as Google Analytics, YouTube, Ads, and more. If you select YouTube Analytics, click YouTube Channel Report. It'll direct you to the sample channel report. Scroll down to see the views, hours watched, video shares, and AVG view duration. You can also see the top videos watched, likes, comments, and subscriptions. To get started, click the default data option at the top to select your data. Next, click Authorize and choose your Google account and continue to Locker Studio. After that, select your account at the default data. Then, choose the suitable time range from the schedule. Once it is selected, click Edit and Share in the top right corner. Let's start your account setup by entering your basic info. It may include your country and company. Make sure to agree to all the terms of service and Google Ads data processing terms. Continue to the next step and select which updates you want to receive. Now, enter the video title from the list. You can select another account in the default data option. Then, click the three dots icon in the top right corner and click Present. You can now preview it and share it with your friends by clicking the Share button. If you want to download it, click the down arrow on Share and select Download Report. Next, click Download again to download it on your device. Trash contains deleted reports and data sources. You can restore or permanently delete them. Make sure to choose the destination for the downloaded report on your device. Once downloaded, open the file to preview. Overall, Locker Studio templates are worth using. They save time providing professional desired reports ready to customize. Templates make it easier to create effective dashboards without starting from scratch, especially for beginners and PC users. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.